Proper slow cooker techniques ensure that your wholesome meals are successful every time. Choose a recipe that fits the size of your slow cooker. They range from 1 quart to 8.5 quarts, so choose a dish that works with what you have to avoid under or overfilling. Ensure your slow cooker is no more than 2/3 full so that food finishes cooking within the time range on the recipe. Resist the urge to peek under the lid, which lets steam escape and slows the cooking process. The night before, cut vegetables, trim meat, and measure seasonings. Store everything in separate containers and assemble in the morning. For maximum flavor, brown meat and poultry in a skillet before adding it to the slow cooker with the other ingredients. To avoid temperatures between 40 and 140 degrees where bacteria thrive, never add frozen ingredients to the slow cooker. If sauces and marinades connect with raw meat, simmer them. Don't refrigerate your slow cooker's insert. A cold insert takes too long to heat up, affecting cooking time and food safety. Slow cookers aren't just for dinner. Cook your favorite oatmeal recipe overnight and wake up to a hot breakfast. Bet you didn't see this coming. Place refrigerated pizza dough over a little sauce in the bottom of the slow cooker. Top with more sauce, cheese, and favorite toppings. Cover and cook on high for 2 hours. Prepare any boxed cake mix according to package directions and add 1 cup of prepared pudding. Pour the batter into a slow cooker and cook on high for 3 to 4 hours.